behind the Regal when they thought of creating that Kenzo?
Talaga? I mean, actually, nasabi nga sa akin ni Mr. Sel, and during that time kasi nasa taping pa ako. So, iniisip ko kung paano. Pero, nung nalaman ko nga na talagang kinoconsider ako ng Regal at saka
I was here, pinag-isipan na pa nga bagong tanggapin.
Sabi ko, paano? Naghahati yung ano ko kasi nasa Puerto Galera ako. Paano? Uuwi ba ako o paano? So,
Yung pitch, yung offer.
okay, paano kaya? Sobrang excited ko kasi nakakasama ko sila sa Shake, Rattle and Roll. Nagkukulitan kami doon. Kasi parang nakabuild kami ng kahit na paano small connection na samahan. Tapos parang ako din, kinonsider ko rin. Kasi itong dalawang to, sa totoo lang, totoong tao sila. So para sa akin, hindi ako mahihirapan makipagtrabaho. Kasi factor din yun eh. I mean, papasok ako sa gitna ng taping nila. So iniisip ko rin kung paano kaya, di ba kami nag-workshop eh. Diba? So iniisip ko, hindi, game na. Kasi sigurado naman ako maayos.
Sa sarili mo game na, pero pinag-intay mo lang kami ng ilang weeks.
Kasi nasa lock-in ako eh. So medyo mahirap yung schedule. Ayun, tapos yun nga, si Direk Dan, Villegas, may mag-direct. So talagang na-excite ako at some point.
Thank you. At before I ask pagbibigyan mic sa press, puro ako na lang ako ha. Okay, I'd like to hear lang from our creative head ng Regal. James, finally, ito na. Natapos na finally ng almost showing na tayo sa May 6. Your thoughts as the head of creative ng Regal?
Thank you. Sobrang kami excited kasi EJ, I won't deny, parang this is a perfect casting combination talaga na nagkaroon kami. From Sam to Jay and Sabrado. Sobrang tombo. Nung katigod ng historical natin, di ba? Parang tawa tayo ng tawa sa live moments, no? Nung alam mo ang Nets. Ang galing din, for example, ni Jay sa Manifiang, na Agni. Hindi ko na kwento ni Direk Dan, pero ang daming ideas sa mga scenes na gagaling ka ni Fiang and Jay. May mga gusto ilagdag sa Fiang, minsan sasabi ko, bakit Fiang? Delikado, pero actually, ang galing nila mag-isip ng on the spot na idadagdag sa scene. And tuwa rin ako ng sunod namin nila Dustin sa kanifiyang yung opening scene. Panoorin niyo guys yung opening scene, sobrang ang galing-galing ng pagkakagawa na para kayo nanood ng isang Korean film or American film. Yeah, so very, very proud of this cast, of the people behind the project. Kami lang gusto sila sobrang ceremony. Kaya sana a lot of people will watch it on OPM.
Of course. Thanks, James. Kasi alongside his team and the creative team ng Project 8 Projects, talagang grabe yung solid force ng creative para mabuo every single detail po ng character, ng scene, talaga namang pinag-isipan ng gusto ng creative team ng Regal and ng unbelievable team up na yan nangyari niyan. Sana maulit. And of course, even Sir Gabe was so hands-on. Parang, oh my God, grabe yung Miss Rosel as well. Sabi ko, Miss Rosel, finally, we're showing. Any word as one of our producers?
Well, after watching the movie,
Ayun.
I've seen it a few times, including some beses. There's particularly so many scenes that hits me emotionally at not that okay, mapapatawa ka. It's something that it's very, a lot of things that are very heartwarming, a lot of moments na, yeah, reminds me of Maricel Soriano. Yes, I mean, I'm not kidding because I grew up with Maricel Soriano. Parang tuwa ako dito sa bago ko pinapanood ko kasi bawat galaw niya nakatawa na. And of course, si JM.
Kanino? Pwede baka may reference ka? May reference ka ba?
Actually, kasi parang it's so natural.
Kung Maricel si Piang, sino naman si JM? Talaga yun, spot kita
But
dito.
si JM is really unique. I don't know as a young star before, pero si JM really has the eyes na talagang, you know, the way he does his acting and how as a best friend is a secret admiration sa best friend niya. Mararamdaman mo talaga. Yun talaga. I mean, it's so natural. Parang they're not really acting.
Oo.
Nakaka-carry away ako sa mga sila. Especially one scene, more towards the third act, na napaiyak pa ako.
Wow.
Seriously, napaiyak mo ako. So, I hope that you guys, when you watch it, matutuwa.
May 5 tayo sa Mega Mall.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Rosel. Thank you, James. At this point, react lang muna si JM Fiang sa sinabi niya. Ay, naiiyak ka. Then yung Marisol Sir. Comment sa sinabi ng producer natin, Fiang.
Nakaka-pressure naman po yun. Speechless.
Sobra. So, nagulat ako sa revelation. Ganun level din yan.
Maraming salamat po, pero... Dati nga ako eh.
Uy, hindi ganyan si Fiang. Na-speechless talaga kasi usually may sagot agad yan eh. Pero ngayon, hindi niya alam what to say. Kasi ako nagulat din ba, Miss Rosel deliver. Nakaka-pressure. Yung relatability siguro talaga ng pelikula, ang lakas. And of course, yung may mata raw, tayo walang mata. Si JM may mata daw kasi. JM may mata ka daw. So ibig sabihin, importante ang mata sa isang aktor. Any comment?
Thank you. Hindi ko rin alam ano sasabihin mo. Thank you po. Siguro, thankful po kami sa Regal sobra. Kasi bukod sa sila yung nabigay ng first film namin sa SRR. And yung dream din namin magkaroon kami ng solo film, sila din po yung tumupad. So sobrang nararamdaman namin para sa Regal. Sobra na kung gaano kami grateful na meron kami sila. So sana po proud kayo sa pelikula natin.
Sir Keith, you have seen the rushes, the edits. Would you like to say the same sa sinabi ni Mr. Sir JP about the finished product?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, you're on. Mention.
Yeah, the finished product was good. I mean, there's a lot of laughter. Pero may konting tulog pa rin. Kasama ko medyo umiyak siya. And then honestly, I got to preview some of the rushes to, I can't name them, pero some industry people, some of them very senior, matalang tayo sa industry, and so many of them actually really did compare Fiang to their sister. So like, not just my mom, but a lot of places for me.
You had it previewed by different ages, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Para si
I can't name who, baka mahuli sila, pero yeah.
Awag na lang.
And of course, JM did good. Pero even like the other cast members like Yuki, Sam, JM, the whole time I was like laughing at their jokes, their chemistry on screen. So it just came together really nicely. And then when you see Dustin in the EU world, superstar talaga dating niya, it just came together nicely, I think, from start to finish.
Siyempre, you were part of the selection process ng the role ni Kenzo, si Dustin. Right away, it's Dustin.
Yeah. Yeah, right away. I mean, we were looking for somebody na believable na movie star na.
I know, magaling idol agad din, no?
Yeah.
Di ba? Perfect eh.
Yeah. So it was like, it was good timing. And then, yeah, I never got a chance to work with Sam and JM before, so it was nice to see them. So audition pa lang, like they were perfect for the role. And as Yuki mentioned, kala niya spam followers kami. Pero I'm glad that she finally answered and considered the role. But yeah, everything just came together nicely.
Gratitude day, ito talaga, appreciation day na narinig natin. Everyone has appreciate ang bawat isa, nakakatawa for producer to actor to producer, nakakatawa na. Okay, at this time, I'd like to give the microphone. Before ayan, si Arch kanina pa. 1 hour ago, taas na siya ng taas. But